Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So today we're down here in the shop. We're going to be going over some things that we're going to be doing on a new project. We're going to be covering some of the stuff that we've got on the upcoming project, and we're going to go over a little dent repair today. So if you guys want to stay tuned, we're going to show you what's going on and how we get some of these dents out and see what you think. So stay tuned, let's get after it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try to get this dent worked out right here on this panel, and what we're going to be using, a portable power, which is basically these little jaws that once you apply some hydraulic fluid and pressure to it, they open up. Now what it's going to do is we're going to have a block on the back of it. We're going to go on the inside of the cab and we're going to start pushing it out to try to flush this panel up. And that's what we're going to try to get done, so let's check it out. Let's see, one more. Okay, stop right there. Hit the little valve.
Good enough.
Okay.
Jacket.
One more. All right, let it off. Okay. All right, so we've pretty well got the dent worked out, and I'll show you what we've done here. Is we've pretty well got it as far as we can get it through here, and there's still a little bit of bow right here to it, but we might be able to work this out a little bit more. But the rest of it we'll probably have to fill right here because that's about as far as we can get it worked out. But unfortunately, that's just kind of the name of the game. Sometimes you just can't get it out to where you want it, and you just have to pretty much fill the rest. I mean, you know, most probably have about 1/8 of an inch filler on it, but it is what it is. So anyway, for now, I guess it's just stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get this thing finished up. All right, so we've almost got this thing sanded to completion. We've got the top, the sides. We've got the last few little dents we're getting out of it, and we're almost finished with this thing. So we'll bring you over here and we'll show you what we got going on real quick, because we just put our last coat of Bondo on. We're going to sand that, and then actually after that it's ready for the coating that we're going to put on it. And that just happens to be something a little bit different from what everybody else uses, because we're going to base coat this thing. So let's bring the camera over here and we'll show you what we've got going on. So now if you look here down at the bottom, we've got that pretty well sanded. We've got a little bit of Bondo on it right now, a little bit of body filler I should say, that just filling a few last little low spots in order to smooth it out. And a little closer so you can see that. But like I said, it's not perfect by no means, because we're gonna have to go over it again, but we are going to finish that and then we'll do the coating. And that's really all we got left. So unfortunately for that, all we have time for today. But in the other bay, we've got something hiding. We're not gonna show you yet. But that's something you're going to want to watch on the next episode. I will say it's going to be a cool build, and an LS swap is involved, so you don't want to miss this. And it's going to be budget friendly, so stay tuned for that episode. It's going to be upcoming right after this one. And for now, folks, if you like what we're doing, you want to see more of what we're doing, hit the bell so you don't miss a notification, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.